Assalamu alaikum. This video is presented to you by Noor Al-Fajr, your guide to navigating Nusuk and illuminating your spiritual journey. If you're having trouble linking or delinking family members on your Nusuk account, this tutorial is here to help. It is recommended to link Nusuk Hajj accounts for family members traveling together to streamline the checkout process and ensure a smoother booking experience. In order to link accounts, the secondary account holders must have an inactive account e-wallet. The primary account holder can have an activated e-wallet. Start by logging into the primary family member's account, clicking their name in the top right corner, and selecting My Family from the drop-down menu. On the My Family page, you'll be able to begin the process of linking your family members by selecting the brown Add a New Family Member button on the right side of the screen. On the pop-up screen, you should enter the email address associated with your family member's account. They will need to provide you with the one-time passcode or OTP that will get sent to their email address of record. Since your family member already has an account, you should receive the following warning pop-up stating that the member is already registered. Please click the OK button to acknowledge, after which you'll be directed to send an invitation to the family member you would like to link to your account. Once the invitation has been sent from the primary family member's account, the secondary member will need to log into their account to accept the invitation. After logging into their account, the invited member should click on the bell icon in the top right corner, which will bring up their notifications. By clicking on the View All Notifications button in the bottom right corner, the invited member will be brought to their notifications page, from where they should click on the Requests button. The invitation request should be visible here, which the family member needs to accept in order to link the accounts. Click Yes to accept the invitation. The primary family member should now be able to log into their account and see the linked family member on the My Family page of their account. If at any point in the future you'd like to delink the accounts, the process is as easy as clicking the Manage Members button on the My Family page and selecting Delink Member next to the person whose account you'd like to delink. We hope this tutorial was beneficial to you. May Allah accept your intention for Hajj and make your journey easier. For more information on Nusuk, like how to add money to your e-wallet, package categories, and packages supported by Noor Al-Fajr this year, please join our WhatsApp group or reach out to our team at our toll-free help desk number or visit our website www.nooralfajr.com.